Our guest today has made great contributions to the Christian Research Journal. His name is Fuz Rana. He is president. He's the chief executive officer of Reasons to Believe, an incredible ministry. He has a PhD in chemistry. He's the author of many different articles, as I just mentioned, some of which have appeared in the Christian Research Journal. He's the author of quite a few books, but the book we're really interested in today, and a book you have to read. I mean, this is cutting edge stuff. Humans 2.0, subtitled Scientific, Philosophical, and Theological Perspectives on Transhumanism. How about clones? How do clones factor into all of this?
Yeah, well, with transhumanism, I've not seen a ton where people are looking at cloning. There's, in terms of the technology, trying to clone primates, let alone humans, has not been really successful. There's, even though there were, like the UFO cult, the Realians and their company Clonaid, and some other physicians a couple of decades ago made claims that they had cloned humans. The fact of the matter is cloning humans for reproductive purposes is right now not even on anybody's radar screen in terms of having the technical capability. Where cloning does factor into this, though, is in the creation of embryos for the isolating embryonic stem cells. So people are looking at creating clones through a technique called somatic cell nuclear transfer, where you're taking the nucleus from an adult cell and you're transferring it into an egg cell that has had its nucleus removed. And now you're creating what's called a clonal zygote or a clonal embryo. And some people try to argue, well, because this is an embryo that has not been made through normative reproductive means, it technically doesn't hold the status of as a human. I think that's a very flawed argument. I see it as being a human being. And so cloning does factor into the creation of embryonic stem cells, where people see embryonic stem cell work and human cloning is kind of going hand in hand in that sense. And so this is an area that is, again, deeply problematic. So it would factor into the anti-aging technology in terms of, trying to create embryonic stem cells that you could then implant into the patient who would have donated the genetic material in the first place to make that clonal zygote.